Hello, everybody. Coach Kimball here. Just wanted to take a couple of quick minutes and explain this Y-shaped vertical progression. We're going to be using this during our upcoming season, the 2019 season. I'm pretty excited about it. It'll give us some kind of a focus for everyone to understand what we're doing offensively, and every player on the field will know what she is supposed to do. So let me get rid of my face here. All right, so what I have on the screen is just our basic Y shape, the explanation here. Been teaching the Y shape for several years now as just kind of a passing warm up, um, some kind of a basic understanding of ball movement. But what I've done is I kind of refined this over the summer to actually be a progression vertically up the field. Um, and it'll start with a core of four, and then we'll start adding six and seven players as we move forward. The real basic shape here. Let me get my pointer so you can see exactly what I'm looking at here. The real basic shape, you go from one to two, that's a short, two back to one, that's a short, and then a long pass to three. So the foundation is still, as far as ball movement, is still one to two, two to one to three. That's pretty basic to understand. But how do we get that into a player position? Well, we start to look at how can players go vertically up the field, and what we're looking at is a series of overlaps. And I want this to be so ingrained in us that this becomes pretty foundational, intuitive, and we just naturally go to this type of movement that we can move forward up the field. So what you're seeing here, the arrows, the dotted arrows are basically player movement. The solid lines are ball movement, one to two, two to one to three, and then players will rotate from player one. We'll go to new position two, so one to two. Player two will go to new position three, so two to three. Player three, who has received the ball on that wing, becomes a holding position, and whenever it is reset, three becomes one in the new Y shape. So three to one. And then four is just running the backside, just kind of a shadow one, or sorry, four to four. So it's a real simple concept. So as the ball moves one to two, two to one to three, which that ball movement can and will change as we get comfortable with this, then player movement becomes fairly simple. One to two, two to three, three becomes one, and four just stays kind of like a shadow run on the backside. So if you notice, if the ball movement is going to the right of our Y shape, that's where three comes into play. Okay, whichever player on that wing of the Y receives the ball, that's the three. So if it actually goes the opposite direction, if we did one, let me see if I can highlight this. Nope, let me do it this way. If we did one to two, two to one over here, then this actually becomes three, and this over here becomes four. All right, so it's a little difficult whenever you first see it, but just remember, player one goes to two, two goes to three, three becomes one, and four moves into the new four. So then we move into a vertical Y shape, which means we're just moving our Y vertical. So it's just a new Y a little bit further up the field. That's all it is. And once players move, player two and player one create overlap runs into their new positions. Once they are there, then it's kind of reset, and then you're back into a one, two, three, four shape again. Okay, so let me move this forward. I'll go to another page here. I'll try to. There we go. So we look at Y shapes all over the field. So this one becomes like the next step of this progress. You see there's options here. If something were to happen and the field is broken down and we have to reset somewhere else, that's fine. We just create Ys all over the field so that once we've gained solid possession, we can move into our next space. Okay, let me go one more here. So the previous two slides get us from this bottom Y shape into the next Y shape, but now we're going from the second Y shape into the third Y shape. So you see this one actually does go to the left, not to the right. So ball movement was 1 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 3. Remember, the side that receives the ball becomes 3. And then 1 goes to the new 2, 2 goes to the new 3, 3 becomes the new 1, and 4, which is the back side, just becomes that shadow run into the new 4. So 4 stays 4. All right, so play with that a little bit, see what you can do with it, and see if it makes sense.